In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these Blum soft close hinges using the Blum Ecodrill Hinge Jig. So we're using the Blum or Blum. I am probably pronouncing that wrong. I feel like it should be one of those pronunciations though. We're using those hinges. Our cabinets are face frame cabinets. So basically this is the inside piece that will mount, and then this is the piece that actually goes on the cabinet door, and then it clips in place. They are soft close, but you can turn that off if you'd want to. It's just got this simple clip right here, clips it loose, and you're good to go. So we're going to install that, and to do that, first thing I'm doing, I'm just going to get a measurement here, and I'm just going to make a small mark. I'm going about 3 1/8 right there for both of them. So when we do this, we're going to use Blum, I don't know which. They make a hinge jig for this. This jig is expensive. You don't have to use this jig. Craig makes one. I hear good things about it. But I've used this jig before, and because I had used it before, I knew how good it was. It's kind of a luxury item, but it's a really good jig. It's gonna make this really simple. So that's what we're gonna use. That's the center hole. That's the other hole. Basically, that's just going to give us little pinpoint marks so that we know exactly where the screws go when we actually mount the hinge. That's pretty handy to have. Also, you can remove these little clips here, pull those off, and you can actually drill these down, and these will work for Inserta hinges too, but I'm not using those, so. And that's what you get. As you can see there, it's pretty good. It does make a ton of shavings. I wish it had dust collection of some sort, because it's like a giant pencil sharpener, but it works really good. So another thing I forgot to mention is that this hinge jig actually comes with a couple of Torx head bits. They fit right in these little clamping mechanisms here. So there's one here and one here, and you put that little Torx head bit in your drill, and then each one of these just has a Torx head piece here, and you're just going to drill that. That's it. The bit and everything, it's all built into this unit. It's all just a part of it, so it's not like separate or anything like that. All you're doing is you're operating a Torx head bit with your drill and drilling right down through. And so, as I mentioned, they're perfect. And that's one of the things that makes this jig so good. And just a quick demonstration of this. So this, here's our hinge here. Here's the clip. We don't really need the clip right now, but our hinge snaps into place. And if you were using an Inserta hinge, again, it's got the bits for that as well. This is just going to be the screw-in style. Right now, I'm not going to screw these in yet because I wanted to drill these in first. What I'm about to do, the next step, will be painting these. So I won't actually install these yet. We'll paint these first, and then I'll screw these hinges in and have them ready to go for the kitchen. So that's going to do it for us this week. If this video has been helpful, man, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button. It would really help us out. And then also, if you haven't caught any of our other videos, I'm going to link up a video here where we show how to actually build these shaker style doors. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. As always, there will be links in the description for any products that you've seen. And be sure and check back as we continue remodeling our kitchen one step at a time. Hopefully it's helpful to you. Hopefully it gives you some inspiration. Hopefully it gives you some ideas. And we will catch you next week. Hope you have a great week.